Okay, then whatever it is mathematically, 12? Something? No dating talk and or advice. We talked about abortions, Ender Tao. Is that a step up? Yes, thank you. No muting. I love to complain about cleaning stuff. Oh my god, here. Oh my goodness, I have to get there. That was the place. Yeah, that's exactly where they are in my intestines. Sure. Excuse me. Yeah, I didn't. You gotta at least get that train rolling. It's a throw up, girl. Bye! I didn't know he was still here. Excuse me. And I'm so happy about it. Thank you for following. Last like. I finished my pop though. Excuse me. Root beer. No root beer. That's a fun game. We'll see about Thursday maybe? It's my navel. Okay, it's getting really hard to not burp right now. I might make an exception someday. Okay. Nice. It was. But now I'm out of pop. Excuse me. I also have this secret power. Apparently. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. I have to go. Do you know how many spicy nuggets I ate? But I worked so hard. I'm gonna find a permanent way to attach the bow to just make it like, you know, perfect. That's your little treat. You're not getting any more of those.